So after years of running the good old SBC RPF ones, it's time to switch it up to some chrome Johnnies. After pinching my pennies for several years now, we dove into a set of Work Meister S1s in the bright buff finish. Big shout out to AKWIR for sourcing me these wheels. Ordered them back in December and they arrived around the March timeframe. So I've been sitting on them for a bit, but the FRS still needed a bunch of work to get done. As I mentioned, all the paint work issues that I had. However, do you really trust me to mount tires onto a set of expensive wheels? I don't think so. This sounds like a job for the big boss. So of course I had to recruit my friend Pedro to get the wheels mounted because he's a Nissan tech and actually does this kind of stuff for a living.
Easy clap.
Yeah, for you, not for me. I got Mike and Victor bringing the wheels out. Victor, you're a little nervous, huh? Don't drop it. So we will be mounting a fresh set. I'm missing one. It's somewhere up there. But a fresh set of Kenda KR20As, 235/40 up front, 265/35 in the rear. It is a little hot out today, but Pedro has his Modelo and he's ready to get working.
Fool. Let's go.
Pedro's been a longtime friend of mine. He actually went to Pro-Am with me as the crew chief, and he's a character in himself. Right, Dro?
It happens.
When Pedro's tired, he's tired, and he will sleep,
Out
no
like
matter
a light,
what.
bro. Out like a light.
All right, so before Pedro gets to mounting the tires, I have to tighten the valve stems on. They come separately packaged, and all it requires is a 12mm socket on the top and a flathead on the bottom, just to get it nice and snug. Oh man, the sun is hitting these wheels just right. The specs, it's an 18x9 plus 10 up front, 18x10.5 minus 38. So running just about the perfect size for the tires. Could go a little wider, but with the angle kit, this is our safest bet. But yes, oh man, I can't stop looking at them. Do I even want to mount them on the car? Should I just mount them in my bedroom and stare at them all day, every day? But with the valve stems in, now it's time for good old Pedro to do his thing. And Dro, if you scratch them, we're gonna have some problems.
Oops. That's what I'm gonna say.
No, I trust him. He's mounted plenty of tires for me throughout the years.
37s. I mounted the Ferrari wheels.
Oh yeah, on your Alpha.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm not worried.
I'm not worried either.
Good.
Yeah, he says that as he's drinking a beer.
Yay, man. Man's got a drink, right?
Yep. Go. Let's get this going, man. I'm excited.
Start with the fronts.
Yeah. Fronts, back, side, left. Woo! And we got the lube.
Can't forget the lube. I actually broke a tire trying to mount one without lube, and that's exactly why we have Pedro out here doing this right now.
Yeah, so I was like, yo, we need lube.
That's kind of a little weird thing to say to another guy.
It's paste.
Yes, that's the more politically correct term.
It sounds like here we go.
Uh-oh.
Done.
That's it.
Alan, you got it from here, right? See, this is the nerve-wracking part. Because last time I did it, I broke off the duck head and it fell in between the rim and the tire. Dro, you're a technician. Do they call them rims or tires? Because everyone gets on to everyone if they say that a rim is a wheel or a wheel is a rim. What do you say? This is a rim, right?
This is a rim.
And then this is a tire.
Correct.
And then
when they're together, they're a wheel.
Okay.
That's all I would consider.
There. Argument settled. Here we go.
Pulling the truth.
Boom. Look at that.
Easy clap.
See, I can do this part all day. Give me all the Schrader valves to remove.
Valve stems all day.
Yeah.
I can put air in a tire all day.
Oh, hell yeah.
I remember when I was a lube tech.
Oh, boy. All right, boys. What do we think? Look at that.
God damn, brother.
Yeah, that looks beautiful. 3 more to go, Dro.
One beer every tire or rim, wheel, whatever you want to call it.
I'm like Beethoven with the bass on it. Mid-class kids that went pop. Deaf to the hater won't stop. Let's talk key scales won't drop. You don't even need a scale to know I'm on top. Me and Mozart got bars, you got bops. Heard you writing Tiffany, a whole symphony. You a sim to me, but go off. Or make a masterpieces for you, or at least it's gon' hit like rump pum pum. Elephant to me like the symphony. Your career's dun 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 dun. I'm like Beethoven with the bass on it. Ain't have to spit to make bops. Made the opera pop when that's over in drops. Singing like na 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 na. Drop centuries ago and still along. Presidential drip from G. Washington. Shout out to him, the wick strong. If you think of playing me, you need major keys. Still minor leagues, you ain't brawn. This Mozart in that one chord. Now he wants smoke, so it's on. Call me dramatic, guess they ain't wrong. Definitely hating, faking, that's law. That classical brings that kind.
God damn, man! This is looking good!
Well, I conquered my fears and Pedro walked me through mounting the tires. Thank you for that, but I'm just a little speechless right now. What's left though is to balance them. Luckily, we have a balancer in our little efficiency shop. And I was big brain because I ceramic coated these wheels because I was reading all about how to keep them clean and making sure that you don't use certain fluids to clean the rims or wheels. Don't yell at me.
The rims, not a car guy.
So ceramic coating was our best option. I also ceramic coated the barrel of the wheel, but made sure to tape off the section where the wheel weights are supposed to go. So at least I was smart about it in that regard. All right, well, the balancing isn't too difficult. Luckily, the manufacturer Ranger, their guide is pretty good. What was that, Dro?
That would have been done already.
Yeah, of course you were. I would hope you would be done, Mr. Technician. All right, wheel is mounted on the balancer. All we have to do, let's just turn it off, turn it back on, so it doesn't save any of the previous settings. We measure the distance to the inner part of the wheel here, 9 inches. So distance is 9. We are going to statically balance this. It is a 9-inch wide wheel, and it's an 18. Close it. Let it do its thing. Dang! 2 ounces of weight? Wouldn't expect that on a brand new wheel. Here we go. Weights mounted. Cycle it one more time. We should expect to see 0 across the board. 0.75! What the hell? All right, all the wheels are balanced. Victor's made himself comfortable.
Great expensive chair. What do you want me to do?
Well, while we have the wheels just sitting here, I might as well mount them on the Z. They're effectively the same width and offset as the RPF ones that we stole to put them in test fit on the FRS. So why not? And then maybe this will help sway me away from the RPF ones, and we'll get some Hot Boy 3-piece wheels for the Z. Who knows? Little known fact that you guys might not know, the ARP wheel studs are the same between the 350Z and the BRZ and FRS. And thank you, neighbor, for all the noise you're making. I'm kidding, love you, neighbor. Woo-wee! Okay, yeah. What do you think, boys? Yeah. If you have Meister S1s, they have to be bright buff, let me know. You probably don't, and that's okay. AKWIR, I might be reaching out to you again soon. So it's been a while since you guys have seen my lovely girlfriend, Jess. And before we head out to the beach to enjoy the nice Florida weather, since it's been pretty rainy lately, I'm gonna recruit her to wash the wheels.
What?
Yeah, you heard me. Since there is some tire paste or lube from the whole mounting process all around the lip of the wheel and even some on the face, might as well take advantage of the fact that we're in bathing suits to hose them down, wash them, in prep for getting them mounted onto the FRS.
How much did you spend on these wheels?
You don't need to know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it the same amount you're spending on my birthday in 2 months?
Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and wheel these boys out. Be careful, they're a little top heavy. Don't drop the wheel, baby. You drop the wheel, you owe me some money. All right, teamwork makes the dream work, baby. I'll rinse, you scrub.
Seriously?
Yeah, I definitely got the harder job right now. Ow! You squirted me! Uh-oh, she's giving me the evil look.
What are you buying me after this?
Food? All right, thanks Jay for all the help. Got a little bit of a casualty getting her all wet and sweaty before the beach, but hey, you're gonna get wet out there anyways, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go swim.
So that's gonna be it for this video. Don't spray me, please.
For the video.
No, this is expensive video equipment. Don't do it.
A bit far away.
No. Well, I gotta go. Jay's about to squirt me. She's probably ready to go to the beach. She's been waiting for a bit. Oh, hey, hey!
Do I still get ice cream?
No, no. So if you guys made it this far in the video, I want to give back to the community a little bit. So at one point in this video, there was a code that just popped up for like half a second or so. If you just so happen to find that code and message it to me, I'll send you an Ambush Drift t-shirt free of charge. I have quite a few shirts that I'd love to give you guys, so we'll do this recurringly throughout the next couple of videos. So get to searching, find that code. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the wheel mounting onto the FRS. That's gonna be a whole cool video in itself.
And whoever can convince Alan to get rid of this beard, I will give you all the free shirts.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Sorry. Well, we hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. Peace.